are a Rainbeam team. My name is Lorenzo. I had the pleasure to work with David and Zacchini, and we are about to present our work. So, imagine an early morning, and the sun has just risen an hour ago. So you're walking through a dark calle around the market. Imagine how would it be to interact with them. It could be like this. Rainbow. So the concept is time machine for this lab, and we have been exploring this by using a natural element, which is sun. And so we have two different things. We have an absolute time, that is the sun, natural lighting, and relative times, which are the times of the users that are passing through our color, which is our location. So the user becomes the controller of time. Natural light, natural time. The location is Calle di Albanese. It's placed next to San Marco. And we chose it for different reasons. First of all, we liked the fact that we had a pure brick wall on one side where we could project things, but more important, it was aligned on south-north axis, which means that it was always dark, except for the timing around midday. So basically we always had shadow where we could project light on the wall. And also because there was a lot of passers-by in the calle. So that's why we chose this place. And now we show you why this place. So the idea was to give to this place that is in darkness different kind of emotions, tones, by controlling the light, natural light, by using a system of mirrors. And according to the users, the mood of the users, the color could leave in a different way, could actually be lightened up in different ways. So, according also to the different times of the day, since we have a system of mirrors that is actually taking the sun from above, from a roof, and projected it downstairs inside the color, we could have the time passing by. These lights are moving as well and changing color according to what time it is. So the components are natural light, a top mirror that is placed on a roof that is catching the sun from above. Then the sun that is caught by the top mirror is projecting on those little mirrors, which are made in a grid, and are controlled by several motors that are actually letting us move them. This is our brick wall. This is a light sensor that is detecting the light that is projecting on top of it. And this is Arduino, where we are controlling all the things. Arduino software and processing. And there you go. Now you see, with this system of mirrors, we are projecting now a spot of light on top of the light sensors that is detecting when there is light here or not. The user passes by and hits the spotlight, so the sensor doesn't get any more light. The light goes up and then comes back down again. More or less, it will look like this. Don't mind the square; it should be circles. But the idea is passerby that is passing through the color and makes these lights going up and down. So, as I was saying, the system is made like this. You have a top mirror that is catching the sun from above and is projecting lights to a grid of little mirrors that are projecting straight on that wall, the pure brick wall. And then the sensors are controlled by Arduino, which is our microcontroller. And Arduino controls the servo motors that are controlling the little mirrors. So, of course we have to simulate this thing, and it's not actually how it will be in reality. This is a prototype, so we don't have the sun, and we simulated the sun with a protector that is hanging there. Then here we have the little mirrors with servo motors. And this is how it will look in reality. This is a 3D simulation we made. We made also an animation just to see where the spots were moving around and how will they change color. Ideally, the color should have a long line of round mirrors protecting light cells like that. 150, so 50 for by 3 matrix. This is our matrix for the prototype. And now we're going to see the simulation with the end of it.
Okay, thank you.